VIEW.
All right, good morning, everybody. And it is a Monday. We have the small Dow up 63. A few stocks on right now. ARQT, LQR, ICCT. Waiting for those as we get closer to the opening to see if we can get a little bounce on these. Right now, I don't have anything on the indices. Not seeing anything on gold. Not seeing anything on the energies, natural gas, or crude oil. But I think it's going to be. I think we're going to have a nice update today. I think we're going to see some pretty good action. But I think we're just going to have to wait till the opening here. So just hang tight. Glenn, how are you? Do you have a nice weekend? Yeah, it's that time of the year, buying gifts. Well, I, I got them all done except one, so a little proactive this year. Didn't wait till the last minute. I don't think I'm going to have any trades on the indices until after the opening bell, so I'm going to hang tight on that. I'm just going to keep an eye on these three stocks here. All right, so ARQT, I don't think any of these are really going to start moving here until after the opening. LQR. ICCT. VIEW was making some new highs earlier, but VIEW was on the radar last week, but it's just no volume there right now. Spread's not too bad, 4-cent spread. Volume's only 21,000. It's pretty low volume. That may be a player later on in the day, maybe during power hour, maybe. I don't know. We'll see what happens after the opening. Could pick up volume, maybe be a nice little trade, but a little thin. Let's see what else we've been watching this morning. TPST, like it, just not enough volume. Another one made highs earlier, TPST. All right, so no trades Thursday, no trades Friday. On my small little account, still sitting at 213. I don't see anything yet I want to get into this morning. So I have to be really selective on this teeny little tiny account here. Started with 200 at 213. More than likely, it's going to end up being either in a gold, natural gas, or crude oil. One of those three, but I just don't see any setups yet. So we're going to continue to wait on that. So I just have my three stocks on ARQT, LQR, ICCT. If any of these start heating up, I'm going to go ahead and add, put a little bit of size on them. Right now, I don't think we're going to see much here prior to the opening bell, so we're just going to hang tight. Yeah, Glenn, you're right. The problem with a lot of traders is they overtrade on their size of their account, whether it be 200, whatever the case may be. A lot of people overtrade based on the size of their account, and it does take a lot of discipline, because you don't want to sit watching the chart. You want to get in there and you want to trade. I understand that. But if the market's not there, you just got to step away. Otherwise, you're just going to end up, if you want the excitement, go to Vegas, right? But if you want to look at making money, you've got to be patient. I know a lot of good traders, they take their frustration out by going to Vegas for the excitement, right? But this is about, you want to focus, you want to be disciplined. And I think a lot of people do approach trading kind of like they approach Vegas, and they end up losing money. And it's a lot harder with a smaller account. You got to be very selective. A bigger account, much easier, I think, to make money with a larger account because it gives you a lot of flexibility. You can take losses, you can come back, you can get more aggressive if you need to. It's just there's a lot of advantages to having a larger size account. But it's, for anybody starting off, you try to start with a small account, not too small. I wouldn't start off with $200, but start off with a smaller account, and you've got to make money there first before you start trading a lot more money, trading a bigger size account. Because you got to learn that discipline. Even in a big account, you do have discipline. You have to be disciplined, but you do have leeway. The other thing is trading. You're going to make mistakes. I mean, sometimes you're going to want to sell something, you buy it. Sometimes you want to buy it, and you sell it. Sometimes you want to put on, 200 shares. You accidentally put on 2,000 shares or whatever. I mean, there are mistakes. So you have to have an account that's going to withstand some of those errors. I mean, I've been doing this for over 40 years. I still have errors. So it's just one of those things. It happens to everybody. All right, nothing yet. Just kind of quiet. See, just kind of bouncing around. Not doing a whole lot. I don't think this has changed. I don't think anything's made new high yet this morning. All right, anybody out there trading the SPYs? We do watch the spies. What's going on? Let's take a look at the spies. Just kind of looking it over here. Once again, remember I have multiple screens here, so I am looking at other screens, looking at other charts. I'm looking at different time frames. The it's like the spies don't really look like they're ready to come down yet. Let's take a look here. Spies, I could see spies up to I can see the spies going up here to 71.41. $71.41 on the spies.
I am next.
I don't see anything on the cues. Nothing on the cues. All right. Hey, Scout? I'm not going to hold AR QT beyond 303. I'll come back and revisit it, but right now if it hits that, looks to me like it's probably going to go lower, so I'm just going to want to get out of that. So we'll keep an eye on that. LQR, looking all right. Gonna look good on LQR, ICCT. I'm looking good on that. All right, we'll keep an eye on ARQT. We'll see what happens here. We still have about another 9 minutes here before the opening bell. Everything's going to happen right on the opening. It's going to get crazy. We'll see what happens. I don't have anything on the indices. We're going to keep an eye on that this morning. Gold. We'll watch that. We'll watch the energies, natural gas, crude oil. Looked at the currencies earlier. I didn't see anything on any of the currencies. And go ahead and let's look at ICCT. I'll go ahead and post my levels in here in ICCT. All right, I'm just looking at 274. $282. $286. I think I had one more here. Do I? Nope. Yep, that's good. All right. Let's see what we do here. ARQT coming back a little bit. Glenn, what are you looking at these days? What have you been trading?
MYO.
Hang in there, ARQT. Make it to the opening. All right, so folks, we're gonna wrap this thing up right before the opening so I can move over to Discord. We do have some holiday specials going on right now. Also, I'll be posting, if you wanted to join Discord, you don't want to learn my methods, that's fine. You can still follow me throughout the day on our Discord channel. And I'm going to be offering a free week trial, no obligation. Try me for a week, see if you like it. You can watch me throughout the day as I trade a little bit of everything. I do trade, as you know, stocks, do trade commodities, trade Forex. And that will be posted here shortly. I'll let you know during the morning show, or if you're on my email list, you get an email on that. So I do have some Christmas specials coming up for everybody. The method I use is proprietary. I am the only one who teaches this method. These cannot be found. They are not publicly available. They're only available through myself. They've taken me over 40 years to develop it, and it's a very simplistic way of trading. It does simplify the process because it gives me exact entries, and one of the hardest things is exits. It provides me with high probability exits. And so, with that being said, I'm going to wrap this up, get ready for the opening, and move over to Discord. Everybody have a great day. Any questions, you can reach me via my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Check out all my YouTube videos. There's plenty out there, and I do talk more about patterns that I use, and also a little bit more about Einstein and how that works in providing me with these high probability price targets. All right, that's it. Everybody have a good day. Glenn, thanks again, my friend, and we will see you soon.